Hello everybody, I'm Leo. I'm going to show you how to make a jack-o'-lantern with a pumpkin. Hello guys. Hello guys, I was just hiding from the pumpkin.
Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn
this pumpkin to a jack-o'-lantern. Alright, time for cutting it! There's something stuck inside. Guys, if you're watching this video, you gotta put a subscribe button on this or make a big thumbs up because this thing is the hardest.
Keep going. Whoa! Trash it, trash. Oh, ちょっと顔をこっち向けて。Oh, it's getting it. Uh-oh.
This is my jack-o'-lantern over here, and I am done with my video. And thank you for watching. And please put a like on this video. And big thumbs up. And happy Halloween.